Next we'll make the handle or shaft. Now that's what this surface is for. So we select the surface, the pull, and type 4. For 4 inches long is this shaft or handle. And we'll make it the correct colour as well. So before we do that, let's give it a name. Rename shaft. Display colour grey metallic. That's the shaft. Next we'll make the grips for the shaft. We select the annulus part of this and pull it 0.07. Now we've still got this surface in the middle, so we simply design, select it, and there we are. And let's rename it grip. Display metallic. I've just noticed that this shaft is the wrong colour, so I'm going to select shaft colour and choose this colour to distinguish it from the grips. Now the grips are not finished. I want to put a little round on these corners. Select each outer corner and we're going to select the pull tool, and we're going to make sure we have the round selected, and we're going to put nice rounds on here. After all, we don't want to hurt Mr. Thor's fingers, and type 0.015. Some nice rounds there. And finally, this we will pull, and I'm just going to be artistically minded on this one. I'm just going to pull it to about there. This is for the pommel. Now we want to make it into like a conical shape. So we select the corner and then the pivot edge tool down here, and we get 2 handles pointing at right angles and we can take this one pointing across the top and drag it out a bit and make it like a cone shape. And go back and select the round, control select the other corner and type 0.015. That seems quite a small radius, so we'll beef that up to 0.025. That's probably a bit better. And there we have all the parts for our hammer. I've just noticed that there's one feature of the hammer we haven't implemented yet, and that's the circle, these little circular ridges on the end. So I'm going to do that now. Circle tool. We've got a cursor arrow with a little hatch box next to it, which means that it wants us to select a surface on which to draw. So this is the surface we want to draw, so click on that, move the cursor, and the grid disappears next to the cursor. So we've got the circle selected. Click round the middle and put a circle in that you think is nice. Then P for pull, select it and type 0.05. And again, select anywhere, click anywhere to get rid of the selection. Circle again, find the surface you want to draw on, click and draw another circle, pull, select 0.05. So there are all the parts required to make our Thor's hammer. Might as well make the pommel the same colour as the head. Display colour, dark grey, metallic.